In this video, we're going to be making the guidelines to set our doors in place. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my views, and in my views I'm going to go so I can see my room from the front right ISO view. And the reason why I'm picking this view is I can see the wall that I'm pulling my dimension from, alright, and also where I'm going to. So I'm going to scroll in to work on the first wall. I'm going to go to my tape measure tool. I'm going to use the tape measure tool to make guidelines for the center. My dimension for our first one going down, the immediate, I guess, northwest edge of our room. And remember to make sure we're clicking on the surface over here, the edge, and not a point. Because if you click on a point, it's going to make a point. We want to make a line. So we click on the edge, we slide down. One of the things I like to do is just click to drop it to make sure it stays on the wall, because every once in a while you come out further away and it goes off into space. And then enter the data that we need there. So 3 foot 7, enter, and it will snap that where it needs to be. My next set of doors, I took off this interior step back as far as this little angle, this corner we have. So coming in there, I click on the edge, slide down. 5 foot 9 is our next measurement to the center of our door. Edit undo, because I just hit escape to stop that operation. I just started because I was on the point. You can zoom in to find the edge again. The next one is 12 foot 11. And the last one is 34 feet 11 inches. Now, our last one's going to be kind of hard because we need to get it. My measurement comes from this interior corner. So I'm going to, from this view, it's near impossible, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to click on front left ISO view. It kind of flips the room around, and from there I can click on the edge, slide back my 3 foot 7 that I want to be. So 3 foot 7, enter. And now I'm all set up to place my doors. I'm going to go into my top view. I'm just going to orbit a little bit so I can see my north wall. But now I have all the guidelines that I need to make my doors going down my wall. There should be 5 of them. Thanks for watching the video.